A giant ship engine failed. The ship owners tried so many experts, one after another, but none of them could figure out what was wrong with the engine of the ship. Then, as a last resort, they brought an old man who spent most of his young life working on fixing ships in so many areas and harbors around the world. He brought with him a bag of tools. And when he arrived, he started working on figuring out what was wrong with the ship. He inspected the ship carefully to figure out what was wrong. The two ship owners were watching carefully as the man was inspecting the engine and carefully inspecting every item of the ship in order to figure out what was wrong with the engine. He reached into his bag and pulled out a small hammer, and he gently tapped on one part of the engine, and suddenly the engine lurched into working. He smiled and carefully put the hammer back into his bag, and he said to the ship owners, "Now the engine is working." A week later, the two ship owners received a bill from the old man for $10,000. "What?" the owners exclaimed. "He hardly did anything." So they wrote a letter back to the old man that said, "Please give us an itemized bill." The old man sent them an itemized bill that read, "Tapping with a hammer, $2. Knowing where to tap, $9,998. So the moral of the story is, effort matters, but knowing where to put your effort makes all the difference. Try to put your effort in something that gives you experience and the upper hand over other people, because that will give you the excellence in your job and the distinction in your profession. Have a wonderful night or day. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.